Jamushi Travels is back, and today we'll share to you our Voco Hotel experience. We had a convenient transfer from the airport to our hotel here in Oxford thanks to our free chauffeur care of Emirates.
So the breakfast is 7:30 to 11 tomorrow, then weekday 6:30 to 10:30.
Okay.
And our room is 166.
So is it a good one?
There's a river walk. Wow.
Wow, it seems okay. We can do that.
They said the hotel have a night.
Excited. Okay.
There's a lift down at the end.
Okay.
Wait,
Lift.
166.
We've been on a maze. Okay. Lift daw. Dito.
Yes.
Okay.
It's like a maze.
Right. And then, okay, the lift. Okay. Ready? Okay. Ika na?
How many stairs? Feeling ko may shortcut.
Okay.
Kaya lang ano tayo may bag. Hello, welcome to room 166. So now we're at Voco Oxford Spires. Ayan, so we have an upgraded room from Queen Standard to Queen Premium. Ayan, tingnan natin yung amenities nila. So very spacious yung room.
Layo sa Japan.
Hindi na tayo sanay. Ayan, so may sleepers.
Oh, mas malaki din dun sa Singapore na Voco, no?
Mas malaki.
Oo.
May safe, may dryer, may iron board at iron. And ang ganda na nila.
Wow.
Na
Sarap kupitin.
made in the UK. And tapos may mga cookies and coffee bag. English. Ah, ang dami nga.
Makakasama yan, no? Wala namang cost, no?
Mukha.
Dami nating snacks. Hey, tipid.
Ito yung mini bar nila. Wala namang laman.
Alright. Okay.
Okay. And then, ito yung twin bed. Tapos may, ano sila? Tapos, may spa rin pala sila.
Oh, sige.
Kaya lang mahal.
Oh, wag na.
75 pounds. May laundry bag. Hindi ko na
Wow,
alam kung
ganda.
pwedeng kupitin.
May bahid kaya yan, no?
Alam.
Sige, subukan natin. Balik na lang natin.
Ano naman akong guarantee na binigay.
Okay. So, binook mo to via points, no?
Hindi.
Okay. Magkano mo siya na-book?
Ang 13K a night.
Okay.
Medyo mahal din. Kaya lang mahal kasi. Ayan. Tapos yung view natin, yung foyer ba yan?
Yan yung
parking.
Viva, no?
Hindi.
Hindi ba
Likod
yan?
No.
Ah, okay.
Para siyang group ng houses eh.
Okay.
Ayan. Tapos yung CR nila, ayan. So, tissue lang. So, kami, may baong kaming tabo. Pero may, naman, ayan, may bathtub. So, maganda tong room. Kasi may bathtub din. Tapos, ayan, yung mga lotion. Hello. And, pwede tayong humingi ng mga amenity kit.
Alright, so overall?
Okay, ganda. Parang, siya. maganda yung pagka-refurbish nila ng rooms. Yun lang. See you. Bye-bye. At Voco Hotel, Oxford Suite. So, tingin tayo ng mga kabayo.
Nakita daw siyang kabayo dun. Tuntahan daw namin yung kabayo.
Diba? Nakakatuwa.
Up close and personal.
Ang ganda nga.
English horse.
Oo nga, English.
Hala, para tayong nasa Wuthering Heights.
Oo, ayan na. Pwede mo nga yatang sakyan.
Out of the light in the door.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda nga itong hotel. Tama yung choice ko.
Galing naman. Ayan. Ito yung definition ng maganda daw sa kanya. Oh. My horse! Ayan. Ang ganda.
Maraming nagpapakapalyaba dito. Nagkatiguran. Ayan, maganda yung mga photoshoot. Pang print, ha? Or kasal.
Alright, sana tayo pasyal na.
Voco Hotel is conveniently located near the tourist spots. We'll be sharing a separate video of our adventure here in Oxford. For the meantime, we'll continue and share to you the amenities inside the hotel.
Ito.
Okay.
Magsha-shower
So, may sauna doon, shower. Tapos,
kailangan mag-shower.
ito yung pool na.
Before
Entry.
Now let's check out the breakfast spread here at the hotel.
Interviewin mo na kita. Ito tayo. Sarap. Anong lasa? Yan yung black something.
Para siyang meatloaf.
Ano pa?
Ay,
Tasty, ha?
ayan. Tapos may sausage tayo. Hindi ko alam tong brown na sausage. Okay lang. Tapos may mushroom. Tapos ang maganda, may dispenser sila ng Nutella or hazelnut. Wala lang pancake, pero may mga croissant. Yung usual na pastries. Tsaka bread. Tapos, yan, may usual na, walang kami.
Pero yung fruit section naman dun mamaya.
Marami
pampahealthy.
naman yung fruit. Tsaka yan, yung mga usual na drink. Tapos, dispenser own drink. Ito hot chocolate. Tapos mamaya magko-coffee tayo. Ayun lang. See you later. Bye-bye. Hi! So, day 2 today ng ating breakfast. So, same naman yung potahe. Wala naman nagbago. And, okay pa rin naman. So, parang mix and match ka na lang kung nagsawa ka sa food. So, wala pa rin kanin. Pero yung fish, no, ngayon lang. Ayun, may fish pala ngayon. So, parang ano siya ba? Smoke fish. And, so, masarap. So, ayun lang. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Overall, it was a good English breakfast experience. So what else did we like about the Voco Hotel? It's our access to the Thames River Walk. So just in case you're looking for an accommodation here in Oxford, do try the Voco Hotel. It's good, it's nice, and it's near the touristy places. So anywho, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please do watch out for our next video. Bye for now!